Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Annyeong, sir.
안녕.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
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 Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Okay, so I think everyone has joined. Welcome to WeJump, the Friday class. So today, today we will once again revise what we have learned because many new joinees, they still don't know what to do. And then I will create the breakout rooms, small rooms. Then you go there and meet your leader, okay? And then have a time with your leader, what difficulty you have, what you don't understand. Yeah. Is it okay with you? And the thumbs up, yeah, from the reaction. Yeah, you can press thumbs up if you understood. Yeah, thank you. Still more people are joining, so let me admit them. So number one, some of you still don't know how to start with the Python programming in Google Colab. So I will once again take you through how to install Google Colab and then how to use it for your Python. Especially the leaders, you need to carefully follow and then guide your team members. So instead of telling your team members, go to YouTube or go to ChatGPT and then learn it by yourself, the leaders should be able to guide the team members step by step. So today, let me check whether all the leaders are here. From here, Ashrit, you're there.
Yes, sir.
Who else? Anne is there. And then who else is there? Leo is there. Monica is there. So Anishka and Waiga there. Oh, that means 6 are there. 2 more. That's Maria is not here. And then 1 more leader. Liquid is there, right? Only Maria is not there. Maria, are you there? There is Maria? No, she's not here. Only the Teres Maria is not here. Then I'll be taking care of her team today. All other teams, and then you can mute if you have nothing to say. If you can. Right.
Excuse me, sir.
Tanishka?
Sir, there are total 6 members in my group, but today only 2 members attended the classes.
Only 2 members attended the class.
Yeah, sir.
Mm. So what to do? So
Sir, I informed them when I contacted them. They
Mhm.
told that they don't have laptop, but I told them to attend in phone. But they told I'm like in my native and some other reasons.
Yeah,
And they told if it is possible, then I will attend.
yeah. So like this, mm, everyone will have this or that. Okay, but attending the class, uh, we see many people joining. Okay, those who make excuses, they will always make excuses. Okay. But those who attend the classes, wherever they are, will always attend the classes. And WeJump will help those who sincerely attend the classes. I will take care of you. So I request all of you, no matter what, you attend classes whenever there is. And then doesn't matter how many are in your team, whether it is only 1 member or 2 members or 6 members, doesn't matter. Those who are regularly attending the classes, you walk with them. For me, when I started WeJump, it was just one person. One sincere person is enough to change the world, I always believe. And I have so many people in this room, so we can do a lot together. Okay, so let's start. Suppose you have your email, then you can go to your Google Drive. So here, 9 dots, and then click Drive, then you are here. In Google Drive, you can go to anywhere. Say you can create your folder, creation of folder, right click, and then you can create folder. I have already created a folder. That's a WeJump. And then on the WeJump, I have also created a sandbox. In the same sandbox, I created a WeJump Python. There I have created this one. But let me first disconnect the Google Colab just to guide the others or the leaders. It's installed. So I want to uninstall. Okay. So I don't have a Colab now. What you can do, the leaders, please understand. Right click, more here. It is to install Colab, the environment where you can practice Python. And there are many Google apps in marketplace, and these things in the marketplace. You search for COLA, yeah, collaborate free. This one. Enter, enter. Then it comes click collaboratory, click, and install. New. Your Gmail ID. Done. Okay. Oh, close it because you have installed it. Close it. Done. Then now, again, right click, more, So now you will see here, Google Colab is installed. Click, and then create and share. So this is the environment where you can practice your Python. So here, my Python practice, something like that. Simple one. 1 plus 1. Can we get the answer directly?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. No. Okay. So should we use then the, how to say, the variable? Oh, I got the answer. It works. Okay. Then for the next page, okay, next code section, you can press this one. Yeah, 2 into 2. What will be the answer? Oh, 4. Or you can press Control Enter. Again, code. Now let's use a variable. A is 2, and the B is 3, and the C is equal to A into B. Then here to print the variable, we need to use print C. So what will be the answer?
6.
6. So for which you can press Control and Enter. Then it's the same as pressing this one. Control Enter. This will calculate and then display the result. Control Enter. What about Shift Enter? If you press Shift key with the Enter key, then this code section is added. So Venica BM, you can turn off the audio because I can hear your family's sound. It's not where. Anil Roshan also you can mute. Anil Roshan, you can mute. Now we are learning how to use a variable. Okay. And then now name, let's say name Anil Roshan. And then school. Anil Roshan, which school are you from? Anybody can tell me?
Sacred Heart.
Sacred Heart.
Sacred Heart.
Sacred Heart. Heart, is it? School. Very good. So then the introduction. Yeah. Introduction. Is it correct? Hi. My name is name. And my school is then how can we again get the answer? We have to use print introduction. What will be the answer?
Hi, my name is Anil Rohan and my school is Sacred Heart School.
Very good. So to get the answer, in this case, you press Control and the Enter key. Control plus Enter key. Hi, my name is Anil Roshan and my school is a Sacred Heart School. So that was introduction. Okay. So this variable can take a number, variable can take a name. Yeah. Okay, one
Excuse
more.
me, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, can you use number between these also?
Number between these means?
So like you can, if you can add age also and write in numbers.
Yeah, we will do that. Very good. So to add the code section, what should we press? Shift and
Shift enter.
Shift enter. Very good. Shift enter, then code section. Result is a control enter. Code section is a shift enter. Okay. So age. Age is a say Venica. How old are you? Oh, she turned off. And Heman, how old are you?
Yes, sir.
How old are you? What's your age? This is not Heman. Who is he? Okay.
So it's me, Venika.
Venica, how old are you?
Now I'm 12 years old.
20 years old?
So I'm 12 years old.
Yeah, I was kidding. Sorry. 12. Yeah. And the name equals to Venica. And then one second. Let me accept. Yeah. And your school?
Christ School.
Which area?
So Vidyanagar.
I don't know where it is. Christ School in Hassan or
Hassan.
Hassan. Okay. And yeah, age school. There's a hobby. Your hobby, Venica?
So dancer.
Dancing. Okay, dancing. And then the favorite food. What do you like?
So Pani Puri.
Pani puri. Pani puri. I don't know whether it is like this. Is it correct, pani puri? And then
Yes.
what's that? Your favorite dessert? Ice cream or
Sir, ice cream.
which ice cream?
Butterscotch ice cream.
Your butterscotch ice cream. Okay. And then your dream. What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a doctor.
Doctor. Okay. So it is say myself. Okay. It's myself. And then we say hi. After that, if we do this, what happens?
So it goes to next line.
Oh, is it? Oh, then good. That's better. Yeah. Hi, and hi, my name is what? Me? Yeah, me. And then we say plus sign, and then here and this one. Full stop, then it goes next. And then it is in my school. So let's press key. So cool. Okay. And then we will copy from here to here. After that, what's that? Hobby? My hobby is a hobby. When it is to be school. Good. And what else? Food. Favorite food is a food. What else? My dessert favorite. There is a dessert, right? Anything else? That's it? Okay. So then how can we get the answer? What should we press?
Print myself.
Ah, sorry. Yeah. But before that, I have to print. Yeah. Print myself. Yeah. And then after that, control and tab. Let's click. Oh, dream, I forgot. Yeah. Dream. Yeah. My dream is a dream. And then again, control and tab. Let's see. Hi, my name is Venika BM. My school is Christ School Hassan, and my hobby is dancing. My favorite food is panipuri. My favorite dessert is about the Scotch ice, Scotch. Sorry. Again, control enter. And then the Scotch ice cream, and then my dream is a doctor. So this is a myself printed. I'm just wondering if I press down, will it work? Because it was too long. What do you say?
Sir, I think it doesn't work.
It doesn't work.
Shows error.
I see. So let's practice. I mean, try control enter. Let me see. That means you're right. We have to leave it type again. Then it works. Yeah, thank you. So that way, but you be careful when you pass the number. It doesn't have a how to say. It's a double quote. It's not there. But when you pass the text, it should have either double quote or a single quote. Then these variables will contain those. Right? Now here, let's see. Shift enter. It will open the new code section. How can we know what type of variable it is? Say age equals to 12. And then print, is it type age? Just to know what kind of data type age is. Shall we try? So to see the result, what to type, what to press?
Control enter.
Control enter, okay. Here it says, this is a integer. Integer. What is an integer? Integer, let's check from here.
There are all the positive numbers and negative numbers.
Oh, I see. Yeah, whole number. Integer is a whole number that can be positive, negative, or 0. So minus 5, 1, like this. But if it is with a decimal, yeah, 3.14, this is not integer. This is what? If it is a 3.
Decimal number.
Decimal number. There is another type they call it, not integer, but it's just something else. So for which you can
STR, something
STR.
like
STR is a string. String is a text.
Yes.
W3 schools.com. Anybody can repeat? W3 schools.com. Can you tell me?
W3 school.com.
Schools.com. There you have tutorials and here learn Python. Again, let me repeat. W3 schools.com. There you have tutorials. In the tutorials you have programming. On the programming you have learn Python. In the learn Python you have data types. On the data types you have like this. If it is a text type, str, string, float. Numeric types, that's number type. Integer, that's a whole number without decimals. But with the decimals, it is a float. And then complex, maybe more complex number. You can see below, okay, what it is. And then sequence types, that your class name list or different kinds of list is there. Okay. School list, and in the school, again, in a classroom, the student list. So all those lists, or the vegetable list, fruit list, or food menu list, everything is a sequence. And the mapping type, dictionary, I studied, but I forgot. But it is there. We will learn that. Set type, also we need to learn. Boolean. Boolean is true or false. Yeah. So for example, the answer is female. Is it true or false?
False.
False. And the answer is handsome. Is it true or false?
True.
Sorry.
True.
Yeah.
True.
Binary and non-type. Yeah, all these are the types. Here, how it works. For example, string. That is a hello word. So this X becomes string. That is a text. 20, that's an integer. The X becomes integer. 20.5, the float. Okay. And then complex. I heard it can be any number. J can be any number. Still, I am not clear about it. Anyway, this type is complex. Now you see the list of fruit, apple, banana, cherry, but with the square bracket. Okay, that is a list type. But if with the round bracket, it becomes a tuple. I heard that here they can add more, but here they cannot add something like this. It is a list, but it has a different character. Okay. And the range say 0 to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6. And then this dictionary. Okay. So it is a kind of nickname and the data. Nickname and data. Okay. So the variable name, we can't say variable name. Anyway, in dictionary you have say banana, and then explanation is there, right? In the dictionary again, what's that? India, and then explanation is there. So like that, it is like a dictionary. Set is with the flower bracket, but it is also kind of a collection of data. Frozen set, yeah, with this flower bracket, and then again closed with the how to say, round bracket, not to give more flexibility. Anyway, it goes on like this. Okay, we understood what is a decimal is. That is a float. Come back. Right. So that way we can know. Then let me ask you, with the enter, we say name equals to Yuga. Okay. How can I know the type of name, the data type of name? Print, and then
Type.
type, and then
The name.
open bracket, name, like this. And then the control, enter. Sorry. Yeah, it says type is a string. And let's give here, say fruit. Square bracket, banana. Tell me what else?
Mango.
Apple.
Orange. Papaya.
Watermelon.
Lychee.
Pomegranate.
Ayo. Yeah, this much, all right?
Grapes.
How can we ask Python to tell us what type of data are you?
Grapes.
Oh, anyway,
Print type. Then
Print,
open bracket.
open bracket, type, open bracket,
Fruits.
fruit, close bracket, close bracket. Yeah. When you read the code sentence, you should say open bracket, close bracket, colon, flower bracket, square bracket. Every time, every sign should be pronounced. That's very important. Then the shift enter, no, or control enter, right? Yeah, it says a list. It has list collection data has a little more flexibility. But if we change to round bracket and then run it, then it is not list, but it is what? Tuple. And then if it
What's
is
the
not,
difference between tuple and
huh?
list? The difference between tuple and list.
Tell me. Are you asking me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we will see that. Yeah, if we do not the square bracket, not round bracket, but flower bracket, then the run it. It is not list, it is not tuple, it is a set. I think I started with the digital course team. Then I made one nice, nice what? Chart to understand. Here I made it. Yeah, for them. Yeah. So here data type, list, tuple, and the set, and the dictionary. Dictionary you understand. Name and the explanation. Name and explanation. Yeah. List. In case of list, it can be ordered, which means you can put in a ascending order or descending order. For example, Leo Arufa. In ascending order, how is it placed? Leo and Arufa.
Arufa Leo.
Arufa, Leo. Descending order? Descending order, Arufa and Leo.
Leo
Leo Arufa.
So these list and tuple and then dictionary data, it can be ordered. Okay. This one first, and then the descending. But set data, no, you cannot change anything. In fact, set data is very strict. Once you enter your classroom, you sit in the first seat, then until you graduate. Grade 1, you just happen to sit in the first row, and then the leftmost corner, you sat there. Then your principal came and then said to you, until you graduate, say 12th standard don't change. Okay, it is always your set, like it's very strict set data. But what is the most free data?
List.
List is very free. List is very free. So Waiga, you can sit here and then the next day another, next day another. You can keep changing. Sometimes you can go to another class, another grade, and even you can sit there. Very flexible. And then here, changeable. Changeable is say I kept Kiran Waiga Yukti. Kiran Waiga Yukti. Kiran Waiga Yukti. Okay, that's it. Then suddenly I remove Yukti and put Yuga. That's changeable. Also, I can change the order only between the Waiga and the Kiran also. I can remove it, and also I can edit without removing. For example, Kiran, Waiga, Yukti, 3 people are already there, and then I can add a 4th person, say Leo, I can add. Or Kiran, Waiga, Yukti was there, I can remove Kiran. Either I can remove, I can add, or I can change the order. So very changeable. It's very changeable. There is a list and the dictionary, but not tuple and not set. You cannot do all those things. Okay. Duplicate. What does duplicate mean? Kiran and Waiga is there. Duplicate means?
Multiply.
Yeah, Kiran, Waiga, Waiga. Well, Kiran, Waiga. Same data you can duplicate. Or Kiran, Waiga. Or Kiran, Waiga. Same data you can duplicate. Multiple times you can. That's only for list and tuple, not for set and dictionary. So my question is, why did they make this a complex data type? It is something like when you can go from this place, that place by bike. Why do they make bicycle, bike, auto rickshaw, and then the car, bus, truck, and then what? Train, ship, and aeroplane? Why do they make all those different transportation systems?
Excuse me, sir. So like what I think the reason was like probably list was suitable for one scenario and it was not suitable for the other one.
Exactly.
So they created tuple. So tuple was suitable for one, it was not suitable for other. So they created set. So like probably it could have gone like that.
True. Yeah, I believe so. In a school also, you have a mathematics teacher, you have an English teacher, and what else?
Social studies.
Social studies teacher. Tell me more.
Science.
Yeah?
Science.
Teacher. Yeah.
Mathematics.
Language.
Okay. Yeah, like it.
So most importantly, PE teachers.
No, all are teachers actually. All are teachers who teach the students, but they have a specific role to play or specific knowledge to convey. So according to the scenario, these are collection data types. These are the collection data because one data having multiple values. So it is a collection of values. So all are collection data, but it is used in different scenarios. So that you need to understand these characteristics and use accordingly. Thank you. Coming back here, we understood these are the sets. Set means this one, very strict one. You cannot change the order, you cannot change the values, you cannot duplicate. Set. It is a set. It is a set. And the list is LIST, but LEAST, least bordered. Least bothered means
Less bothered.
less bothered. Yeah, free, carefree. You do whatever you want. So least bothered, very less bothered. So it's okay. This LIST, but what I'm saying is LEAST, LEAST. Anyway, sounds similar. So least bothered, least. But set is a set. Now, next. Shift enter. Here comes input. Input. Yeah. What is your name? And then what's your name in the Prithvi?
Sir.
Yeah. So here it is asking, what is your name? Okay, let me ask once again. Yeah, Prithvi, what is your name?
Sir, Prithvi. Sir, Lavit.
Oh, okay. So it will come. So input function, it takes whatever you say, it takes that value. Now next is let's put the value input is taking into one variable. Say yeah, say name, input, what is your name, then so from the input you will get your name, and that name should be stored in the name variable. From here you will get Prithvi. Prithvi should be stored here in name, okay, and that name to be printed. Print name. Then control enter. Once again, Prithvi, what's your name?
Sir, my name is Prithvi.
Prithvi, okay, and then enter. Yeah, then Prithvi is printed. Or if you want to change, my name is plus sign. So whatever input function takes goes to the named variable, and named variable will come down here and then print it. My name is Prithvi. So let's see. Prithvi. My name is Prithvi.
Yes, sir.
Then now let's do function. Function is like how to say, you have a cooking vessel. Okay, it's like a cooking vessel. So let's cook, and then ingredient. What's ingredient? What does ingredient mean?
The things used for cooking.
Or let's say veg. So this is a function, cooking function, and then whatever vegetable comes in, it will cook. Okay. And then it starts with the DEF. There's a definition, define your function. Function name is a cook. And then this function will take one variable. Or we can take one more. Is it masala? Spelling?
Yes, sir.
Masala.
And then we should end with a colon. So far, we didn't put colon anywhere, but when you define cook function, you have to, any function, you have to close with the colon. Enter. Then unlike others, it is indented. Indented means push to the right. Push to the right. Slightly is pushed to the right. So here, what should we say? If it is there, That means food. Print. Okay. Print. Say potato, and then which masala is there? Potato with what? Garam masala.
Sir, garam masala.
Garam masala. Okay. Then veg. I don't know whether this kind of food is there. First, we need to pass the value to veg input. Which veg? Yeah. And then masala input. Which masala? Yeah. Then you got the veg name and you got the masala name. And those will go to this cook function. And then inside it will be cooked. It will be cooked. And then that veggie, that masala sabji is ready. To go back like this and then call the cook. So let's try. This one I need to start. Yeah, let's try. Which veg? Tell me.
Potato.
Come again.
Potato.
Potato. Which masala?
Garam masala.
Potato garam masala sabji is ready. Okay. So once again, potato and then garam masala. Potato garam masala sabji is ready. How it works is which veg? Then you said potato, and it will go to veg here stored. So veg becomes potato. And which masala? You said garam masala. So garam masala will go and sit in the masala variable. Then these two. So now this when I call cook veg masala, then this will go here. Okay. That means inside the cooker, I opened it and put the potato and garam masala and closed it. Okay. Then I'm calling this one. Now start cooking. So now cooking. Then now ready. So then it says potato garam masala. Here basically potato space, one space, garam masala and one space. Sabji is ready. Potato garam masala sabji is ready. So this is how the function works.
Excuse me, sir.
Oh, go ahead.
In the print function, like you have veg plus and you have put a space, no, sir.
Because, tell me.
I think instead of a space, you can just use a comma, and it will automatically put the space in there.
Oh, really? Oh, I didn't know. Thank you so much. Very good. Then with the plus or without plus?
No plus, sir. Instead of plus, there'll only be one comma.
Like this, huh? Like this. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Oh. But here we have to, right? Here also just comma. We will see.
I guess you can also replace there also.
Okay, let's see. Potato, and then the garam masala. Wonderful. Yeah. It is also comma, which means space not required.
So like I feel like that will be a better design instead of like typing space manually. So you
Yeah,
can
exactly.
save
Yeah,
a bit
yeah.
of time.
Right. In other programming language, it was like this. So I didn't know this trick. Thank you so
Yes.
much. Very good. Masala. This also works. Yeah. Potato garam masala sabji is ready. Oh, then you just if comma comma, then automatically it gives one space. Oh, this is very convenient. Thank you. Okay, so today we will learn just one more. I thought of teaching you even if and the if also, but that will be a little too much for you. And only one thing I will teach, and then we will stop here. That is, so far we played with only the text, but let's play with the number. Because many of you are confused with that. So shift enter, one more section. Okay. Here, let's put say, oh, let me just start this. Age input. Your age, yeah, right. And then, so when that is age is taken, then again let's define. This time, what do we do with the age? Movie, or theater, or cinema. What do you
KGF
want to
2.
do? Come again?
KGF 2. KGF 2.
KGF2, what's that?
Sir, KGF 2.
What is KGF2?
Sir, Gold Goldfields.
Is it movie?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
A very popular
KGF2.
South Indian movie, sir.
Okay, KGF2. And then here it will take your age. Okay, and then it should end with what? Any function? End with the
Colon.
colon. Yeah. Then here, oh, okay, here we have to put the if condition. If your age is say greater than how many years old, then you can go for this movie alone.
Sir, 18.
18. And then after if also again colon. Okay. So print. You can watch the movie alone. Very good. And here I press the shift tab to come back up to if. Here it's very important. Here if shouldn't be the same line with the DEF. You should go a little bit inside. And print also, you should go a little bit inside. But else if, that is if, then it should be again in the same line with the if. So age, say what about 12? Then with the parent you can go, or 10 or 7, or
Yes.
which age?
13 with parents.
13 with the parent.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then print. You can, one second. You can watch the movie with your parent. Good. So, say You cannot watch alone. You cannot watch it with your parent. There is a else again colon print. Sorry, this movie is not for you. Okay. And then to call this function, you have to type KGF2 and then age. So here, age it will ask you your age, then you say your age, and that will go to age here, and that age will be passed on to here. Okay. Then because it is called, when this function is called, then it goes to its own factory. Yeah, this is a function factory. This is a function gate, function entrance. Okay. At the function entrance, you give what cinema entrance. Yeah, it's a cinema entrance. You give your age. Okay. Then there is a whole process, big room processing your inquiry. Okay, yes or no. Then it will give you the answer. But here the problem is, when you say my age is 12, then this age is a text, not the number. So let me try what happens. Okay, 12, and then enter. Error. Yeah. Why error? String and the integer. String and integer error, which means not supported between string and integer, meaning here, although you said 12, although here you said 12, in your mind it is a number, but in Python, when it is taken your value like this one is not the number, it is still string, which means a text. So let's check.
Sir, INT.
So here, say print type age. Let's start. Say 12, enter. See here, string. It is not int. It is not number. It is still string. So we can, whatever answer given, we will convert it into integer number. You see that? The whole input function is within. Whole input function is within int, open bracket, close bracket. Then when 12 string or text is given, it is converted into integer number, and that number is passed. And that number, when it comes here and comes here, and that number is compared with the number 18 or 13. So let's try. Say you are 14. You can watch the movie with your parent. You are 12. Sorry, this movie is not for you. You are 19. You can watch the movie alone. So between this and this, no change. Not much change, but this one. This is a text. This is an integer number. So this is what we have learned so far. Okay. So you may go through this whole video again and again if you have any doubt. First, the leaders, you should be clear about it. Members, you also need to study hard and understand this concept. Still, if you have any doubt, contact your leader. Leaders, if you have any doubt, don't tell your members, you study by yourself. No. Yeah. If you don't understand, again, get back to me. I will help you. So we help each other, right? Okay, today's class is here. Oh, masala spelling is wrong. Somebody said, sorry. Please, we say, Kundan says it is to be single S. Sarah. Right. Would you turn on your videos? I want to see your faces. So much. Eman, Navid, Goda, Tejas, Nehan, Kundan, Ashit, Yuba, Dan, Dashaini, Deep, Tika, Nipin, Arufa, Kanishka, and then Raghav, and then Nisha, Icha, Nitya, Angel, Monica, Anil, Hamshini, and the Prithvi, Sumaya, Rayhan, and Amok, Nehan, Ran, Tejas. Okay. Thank you very much and enjoy your dinner. We will meet next week. Korean class tomorrow. Is it
The
what time is it? 5 or 5:30 tomorrow?
5 to 6.
5 to 6.
5 to 6.
Tomorrow 5 Korean class. And then I want the leaders. Okay, 8 leaders to join 6 o'clock the WeJump 7 meeting. Thank you. Bye bye. 안녕.
Bye, sir.
감사합니다, sir.
감사합니다, sir.
Thanks, sir.
감사합니다.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You.